B&D Controll-A-Door Smart Limit Set Procedure. First action, remove control panel cover. When power is applied, out of the box condition is that the limits need to be set. They're not set. On this particular unit, we're ready to go. If you needed to recommission the limits, you would act on mode, pressing that twice until the cog wheel was illuminated, and you would be able to set the limits. But it's all ready to go out of the box, so we want to set the limit now. This is a dead man switch, so drive the door to the desired close position. When you've reached the desired position, press stop set. Now you notice we've inverted and gone to the open limit set light, and that is illuminated. I wanted to act on that, so drive the door to the desired open position. Press stop set. This will embed that top limit, and now the unit will go through its profiling stage, checking the limit set positions and putting in embedded parameters based on force and soft start, soft stop. Okay, now you notice that we're fully commissioned. We're out of the cog illumination stage. The only light that it's on is the down arrow to indicate we're complete and we're fully closed. If by chance you need to clear the limits, we'll just quickly go through this procedure. You're pressing mode once, twice, till you reach the cog wheel. Now press and hold mode for approximately 10 seconds until the flashing of the courtesy lights stops and we have cleared the limits. But if you want a complete factory reset, within 10 seconds after that first procedure, remove power to the unit and power back on, and that's going to take it back to full factory set conditions.